Have you ever been watching a stream and you see this really badass looking Fortnite or even Apex Legends or even a social links little overlay on their screen and you're like, man, how do I get it? Well, I'm going to show you how to get these right here. Very easily. And all it's going to take is just a few minutes. Now you are going to go to fusydesigns.com and it's going to have you sign up for an account. And once you do that, it will take you to this page right here. You're just going to click the lab beta. So once you do this, it'll take you to the lab to where you can create a whole bunch of different overlays. Now, as you see, there is a health bar. You can start designing it depending on what game you want. You have Halo Infinite, you have Valorant, PUBG, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty Warzone. Now, these are all fully customizable and free to create and use. You can also create a webcam overlay. There's a notification bar, like if you want to keep it at the very top of your screen. You can also create a QR code that is a branded QR code and choose what happens when the code is scanned. That's really neat feature. You can create the links like you saw in the top right of my screen a little bit ago. You can also create a stats bar, create custom stats bar that takes your stream, create custom stats cam that takes your stream to the next level. Now I've done about 3 of these so far. Now this is my Fortnite overlay. As you see right here, I have the background color, the primary color, the graphic. If you want to add your own, you can, but there's a whole bunch of stickers that the creator of this Fusy Designs has already added. As you see, apparently a middle finger and the queen. There's also patterns that you can go with. There's GIFs if you want. You can create. It's really cool. I think I'm using maybe the slime. Yeah. Or the stars. Yeah, I have the stars one right now. I think that's really one of the coolest ones that this person offers. And did I remind you that it is free to use? You can decide which stats you would like to go with. Stat number 1, I have kills. God, look at the deaths. I don't want to show those. Ugh. Embarrassing. You also can show the score per match, score minimum, top 10, top 3, top 5, win percentage, all those. You can even change the effects. You don't even have to have any effects if you don't want it to be animated. So then you just hit save, and then you're going to come over here, wherever it is. You're going to come over here and then click install. Now it'll show you very easily copy link, paste the link as the browser source, and then enter the dimensions. So let's come over to our OBS right here. Let's come over to OBS and then I'll show you. Let me copy my link plus browser, whatever you want to name it. You're just going to use the URL that you just copied, paste that in there, and put in whatever width and height that it says to use. Come over here to OK, and it'll show it on the screen. It's that simple. Very neat little overlays that this person has created all for free that you can use on your stream. Now, I really also like the socials tab, if I can get to it. There we go. I also like the socials tab. I think it's one of the cleanest ones offered. Now, you only have 3 live links available. I'm not too sure how to go about deleting one or putting them into the archive. And I hope this video did help you. If it did, please consider hitting that subscribe button, the notification ding. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.